it's ComixCanines. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with ComixCanines. Today we're going to be making the salmon spinach scramble. You just need 4 simple ingredients. You need 4 eggs, about 430 grams of fresh salmon, about a cup of spinach, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. So first off, you just want to chuck in your coconut oil. Oil up your pan, and then we'll throw in the salmon. So once the pan is oiled, you just put in the salmon, and then you throw in your spinach. Give those to a good mix and let the salmon cook a little bit till it's a little bit darker in colour, and then throw in your eggs. Now once it's ready to go, the salmon's cooked a little bit. I usually just pour all these in so the eggs don't cook at different consistencies. Put those in and just scramble it like you're cooking scrambled eggs. So the best way to know when this one is done is you just treat it like it is scrambled eggs. So when it gets a little bit more clumpy but still cooked and all together, that's when you know it's done. When it's less runny and not as watery because of the eggs. It's all coming together perfectly now. We're about to finish it and we'll transfer it to the mixing bowl. And there we have it, all done and dusted. It's not the most tantalising, but the dogs love it and it is heavily nutritious. Thank you for joining us in today's episode of Cooking with ComixCanines. If you do make this dish for your dog, leave a comment down below and let us know how it goes. Or better yet, if you go onto our website, you can find this exact food item along with a variety of others and other special things there for your dog to buy straight off of us. We deliver to Bathurst and surrounding areas. Thank you all. Stay tuned for the next episode. And as always, ComixCanines out.